Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create dispersion effect like this using Adobe Photoshop. I have downloaded this one from freepik.com. If you want to download this image, the link is there in the description. We also need to import a brush to complete this effect. Download the brush with a link given in the description. Let's get started. First, we will have to cut out the model from the background. To do that, select the model by selecting the Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject button from the options bar. This will give you a fairly good selection. Once done, click on Select and Mask button from the options bar at the top. The interface will change to the Mask Property dialog. Make sure you selected Refine Edge Brush tool. Then paint on the areas that still show the background. Once done, increase the radius, smoothness and contrast. Select output to new layer and then hit OK. Now delete the background layer. We don't need this anymore. Then select Crop tool. Crop and place your model accordingly. Now we need to create a background. Click on Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon located at the bottom of the layer panel and click on Gradient. The Gradient Fill dialog box will open. Then click on Gradient bar. Here in Photoshop 2020 there are a lot of presets. I am going to choose one from those. You can choose yours accordingly. Once done, hit OK. In this Gradient Fill dialog box, change style to radial. Check on reverse and increase or decrease the scale depending on the color. Then hit OK. Now drag your gradient layer below your background layer. Select background layer from the layers panel. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Rename the first layer as model and second as liquify. Then having selected liquify layer, go to filter and select liquify option. The liquify dialog box will open. Here make sure you have selected forward warp tool from the liquify tools bar. Warp the model like this. Take your time. Once done, hit OK. Now we will apply a negative layer mask to this liquify layer. To do that, hold your Alt key and click on Add a Layer Mask option. Now everything is hidden under this layer mask. Now select the model layer and click on Add a Layer Mask option. Now click on the mask of this model layer and select the brush tool. Then right click of your mouse and click on Settings icon and click on Import Brushes or Load Brushes. Now select the brush and load which you have downloaded. The download link of the brush is in the description below. You will see Dispersion Brush folder in the Brush Options window. Click on the down arrow in front of the Dispersion Brush folder. You will see there are a lot of brushes. I will choose one from them. Now make sure your foreground color is set to black. Now start painting on the model like this. Once done, click on the mask of the liquify layer. This time, set your foreground color as white. Increase the brush size by using right bracket key. Paint on the background area like this. You can change your brush style. Also, change the angle to make the effect more random. Once you are satisfied with the result, click anywhere on the layers panel to deselect all the layers. Then click on create new fill or adjustment layer icon and choose gradient map. The gradient map dialog box will open. Click on gradient bar, select your favorite gradient and hit OK. Change the blend mode to overlay. Decrease the opacity. This is our final result. Hope you have enjoyed this artistic video tutorial. Make sure you like us, subscribe us and comment on the video below. We will keep on coming with more such video tutorials. Thank you very much and stay tuned.